How to send Bitcoin on Cash App. What is up, everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily send Bitcoins on Cash App. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. So first thing you have to do is open up your Cash App application. And then from here, all you have to do is you need to find the send option, the transfer button, right at the right beside sell button. Just tap on it. Now from here you have an option to send or receive Bitcoin. Tap on send, and once you do that you can enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. So as you can see here, I have this amount of Bitcoin on my account, so you can enter it in dollars or you could just enter the Bitcoin amount. So $4 worth of Bitcoin will be converted right there in real time. Then tap on send. After this, you're going to have to paste the wallet address or any other address where you want to send the Bitcoin to. After you've entered the address, tap on the next button. Now you are going to have to select your withdrawal speed. If you want it to be priority, it arrives in less than 10 minutes. It's in rush, it's around 2 hours, and as standard is 24 hours. Tap on next again. And now you've successfully initiated a withdrawal of this amount of BTC. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.